Very much underway, with domestic and international business pledging hundreds of billions of rands. The investment drive continues as South African tourism, or South Africa tourism, participates in the UK global meeting place for a travel trade. The World Travel Market London is a leading global event for the travel industry, and our SABC anchor Peter Ndoro is there to tell us a little more. Peter, what's the latest?
A very good morning to you, Desiree, and good morning to everybody at home and across the continent. Well, you know what? Between London and Berlin, these are the two largest gatherings in the world for the travel industry, and we're expecting over the next 3 days, every single day, something beyond 51,000 travel professionals from around the world to be gathered here at the Excel Centre in London. The world's travel market has been happening for now, I think this is the 38th year, so it's a really big one that's established itself over the years. And South Africa is going to be one of 5,000 exhibitors trying to grab the attention of all of these industry professionals and to try and sell the South African story. And this is what's going to be happening over the next 2 days. And it's really sort of a mix between exhibitions as well as forums and conversations with leading personalities in the travel industry, talking about travel, talking about technology, the use of technology in travel, and the trends within the travel industry going forward. So it's going to be a busy 3 days. As I said, 5,000 exhibitors. A good representation from Africa as well is expected. There's one area called WTM Africa, and of course, for those who've been to the Cape Town version, they'll know about the gathering that happens there every April or so in Cape Town. And so a lot of those people will be here as well, selling the African story. So a little bit earlier on, we spoke to South African Tourism's CEO, Nisanchona, to talk about what he hopes to be selling to the international community here about South Africa. And he says that we have a lot going for us, unique things and all types of experiences that we can sell. And so, it's, as I said, it's going to be a hard job. 51,000 people from around the world, all in one place. And we've got to try and get their attention to try and get tourism going as one of the many levers that South Africa needs to use to raise badly needed money for our economy. So that's what we'll be doing for the next 3 days or so, coming backwards and forwards to you, telling the story of WTM 2018, Desiree.
So much there to Peter. We will be trying to talk to you again later on when you have a guest participating, but he's at the UK's global meeting place for the Trade World Travel Market London. Let's take a